In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ad creatives using an AI agent on N8n. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to automate your ad creation process efficiently. Let's dive straight into it. First, you need to decide on the inputs for your ad. This is crucial because your inputs will shape the creative output of your ad. Consider what message you want to convey, who your audience is, and the tone of your ad. Having a clear idea of these elements will help guide the AI in generating content that aligns with your objectives. Once you have your ad inputs in mind, the next step is to open N8n and create a new workflow. Think of this as your workspace where all the magic will happen. If you're new to N8n, don't worry. It's a visual workflow automation tool that connects various apps and processes, making it user-friendly even for beginners. With your new workflow ready, add a manual trigger. This step is particularly useful for testing purposes, allowing you to execute the workflow manually and see how each component functions before setting it to run automatically. Next, incorporate a set node and add some fake fields. These fields will act as placeholders, enabling you to experiment with different data inputs before using your actual data. Feel free to be creative here, as this preparatory step will give you a sense of how your text and visuals might come together in your final ad creative. After setting up your fields, it's time to add an AI text generator node. This is where the content of your ad starts to take shape. With AI, you can automatically generate attention-grabbing, relevant text that resonates with your target audience. The AI uses the inputs you provide to create a compelling narrative that fits the style and purpose of your ad. In the prompt section, write something simple. The simpler and clearer your prompt, the better results you'll get. AI models work best when the instructions are straightforward, which means more relevant and effective ad text for you. Now, it's time to run the workflow for the first time. Watch as your AI agent generates potentially impactful text. Review the results and refine the inputs or prompt if necessary to better align with your vision. Now that you have your ad text, add another AI node to focus on image generation. Visuals are a key component of any ad, so this node will help create a complementary image for the text you've generated. Choose an appropriate style that will appeal to your audience and align with the brand message. Finally, add a prompt for your image and run the workflow again. This final step will combine your tailored ad text and image into a cohesive creative ready for deployment. Make sure everything integrates smoothly and resonates with your intended message before taking it live. And there you have it, a streamlined process to create effective ad creatives using N8n and AI. Make sure to experiment and iterate until you find what works best for your brand. Thank you for tuning in and happy ad creating.